Placing a water bag in your kitchen can surprisingly solve the problem of flies and mosquitoes. To carry out this trick, you will need aluminum foil that you will cut into 4 pieces and you will form small balls. After preparing them, reserve these elements and take a plastic bag and you will put the aluminum balls that you had reserved inside. Then take a glass of water and fill the bag until just above half. Then tie the bag if necessary using a rubber band. Place this bag with water in your kitchen and you will notice how the flies and mosquitoes move away. This is due to the reflection that water produces when interacting with aluminum foil, generating a visual repellent effect. You can apply this method in your bathroom or other places where you want to keep these annoying insects away. It is important to note that this trick is highly efficient, which is why many butchers use it in their stalls to avoid the presence of insects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive our videos.